Parents, listen, I want to say I just really appreciate all the ways that you've been connecting with me, whether it's a message through TikTok or an email. It's really, really nice to be able to connect with parents, and this platform has been excellent for me to do that. I want to mention a couple of things that I have available to you. One is a workshop that I just put together on setting boundaries, specifically with teens and young adults. If you are interested in that, check the link in my bio, which is, there's the picture of me, and then it says like Mom of Five, parent, coach, author, and then underneath that there's a little Linktree link. If you click on that, it will take you to where you can register for my workshop. It's going to be July 26th, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Central Time. If you cannot attend live, you will get the recording. Either way, you're going to get the recording, but know that if you can't attend live, you will still get the information. And I'm going to talk all that I can about setting confident boundaries with your kids, because I think this is an area that parents are really struggling with right now. The other thing is this: I started a group a couple weeks ago, and it's called the Empowered Moms Group. And we meet once a week on Zoom to talk about the different challenges that we're having. The beautiful thing is, moms can and do empower other moms. It's not me necessarily coaching everyone through their problem. I do some of that, but it's moms connecting with one another. So if you are a mom that has been struggling to make some connection, and you've got some challenges with your teen or young adult, jump on. We've got moms with kids of all different ages, all different problems. In fact, you'll probably walk away and be like, man, I'm glad I only have the problems that I have. Seriously, it's really, really a great small group, but we're growing. Anyway, these are the ways that I am working on helping parents get through this summer season. And I just want to say thank you so much to this community who have started following me, continued to follow me, comment. I just really believe in shifting the way we're parenting our kids, and I know that we can do it.